Good morning, guys. Okay, I am in the middle of editing yesterday's video, filming today's video. There's so much going on, but I love how in real time this all is because I'm reading your comments, I'm answering your comments, I'm filming immediately right after about your comments. So it's a lot, but it's getting done. The main thing I kind of just wanted to chat quickly about before I get into this video is that I heard your feedback and I mentioned in yesterday's video that I will be posting all of my workouts and my food plan for each day because I think that's the information you guys really want. So I will be doing that. Side note, can I just mention that I went and got a tan the other day, a spray tan. When you're tanned, you look so much skinnier. I don't know, it might just be in my head, but I swear, first of all, my hair looks crazy. I swear, being tanned, I feel like I look so much skinnier because I'm tanned. So for today's workout, I am gonna be focusing on legs and butt. I'm gonna give you guys a complete description of the exercises that I do. And then also I checked my sleep app this morning and I got, I think, 76% quality sleep last night, which is the highest I've ever gotten. If you guys did not see my video on sleep and weight loss, I'm gonna link it for you so you can check it out. Sleep is so important. Download this app. It's like I literally wake up excited just to look at my app just to see how well I slept. But yeah, anyways, I had great quality sleep. I ate really well yesterday, so I just felt so much better from Sunday. Sunday was not a great day, but I'm feeling a lot better. Today's Tuesday, and yeah, let's get this day started. Today has been such a crazy day, you guys. I've literally been running around all day. In a day like this, I normally, back in the day, like before I really started watching what I eat, I would use today as a perfect excuse for basically grabbing a bunch of processed foods on the go. So today would be the ideal day where I would grab granola bars, protein bars, yogurt, any packaged foods because I'm just too busy to make a meal. Now that I'm so much more aware of my food, I always try to make time, and you can make time if you want to. It just takes a little bit more effort. It's true. It takes more effort. You have to stop what you're doing and kind of invest time to do it, but you'll feel so much better. So even though today was so super crazy, I was still able to make good, healthy food all day. Let me show you guys what I made for dinner because it turned out so delicious. That's what I made for dinner tonight, you guys. This was so easy to make and it's absolutely delicious. So I have a bunch of grilled up chicken with my favorite veggies. I have sauteed tomatoes, mushrooms, red peppers, green peppers. I put it all in this big pot and just kind of saute it all together. So quick and easy, and it tastes so good and it's super healthy and filling. I could totally do a video showing you guys how I made this. If you want, let me know in the comments. So that was for dinner, super easy to do. Let me tell you guys my meal plan for today, everything that I had. So for breakfast, I had my usual 2 eggs. Instead of an omelet, I did scrambled. I threw in my favorite veggies, spinach, cherry tomatoes, a little bit of mushrooms, and I also had an orange with it. I feel like I'm kind of getting over my sickness a little bit, but I thought some extra vitamin C would be great, so I went and got a bunch of oranges. For my snack, which is super easy to do on the go, I took a banana with me. For lunch, I was out, so I went to Sweet Greens, which is a salad place, and I got, very easy to do when you're out, very, like most places will have this. I got grilled chicken salad, so easy. I added just like all of my favorite toppings in the salad, and I just did very light dressing. For a snack after lunch, again, super easy to pack with you on the go. I had another orange and I had 12 almonds. Then when I got home, I made dinner and I had the grilled chicken and veggies. And then tonight, before I go to sleep, I'm gonna have a handful of raspberries. That was my meal plan for today. Super healthy, super delicious. And even though I was like out and about and like not at home and super busy, I was still able to make really healthy food decisions. Let me break down my workout for you guys for today. So today, like I said, was a leg day. It was kind of intense, I'm not gonna lie. That's why I'm gonna give you guys like adjustment options. Okay, so I did 30 minutes of cardio on the treadmill, which is always hard on leg day because your legs are usually tired. And then I did 30 minutes of weights, focusing on legs and butt, everything lower body. Let me just preface this by saying there's no one rule for anything. Everything that I'm saying in these videos, you guys, is just from my personal experience. People have different experiences, and that's fine. Don't hold me to anything, you guys. This is just my personal opinion, okay? I have to be so careful what I say. A lot of you guys get mad very easily. I find that on leg day, it's great to do really high incline on cardio because all that does is focus on your booty. So if you're doing cardio on leg day, make it a leg day type of cardio by adding like super high incline on your treadmill, and that will really work your booty. I did 15 minutes on the treadmill. I did 2 minutes of running, 1 minute walking, 2 minutes of running, 1 minute walking. Kept on doing that back and forth for about 15 minutes. Then jumped off the treadmill and went to do weights, focusing on lower body. So lower body is my least favorite thing to do, which is a lot of squats. I like doing dumbbell squats. So you either take 2 dumbbells, 1 on each shoulders, and then you squat and squat and squat. If 2 dumbbells is too much for you, you can hold 1 dumbbell like underneath your chin and squat and squat and squat. Okay, so I did a ton of squats. Just do a ton of them. And then lunges. So lunges are basically when your legs are standing together and then you step backwards and lunge, or step forward and lunge. You could do it with weights or without weights. I did a mix of lunges and squats for 15 minutes. Then I jumped back on the treadmill. The first 15 minutes, the 2-minute runs were just on a 0 incline. This time, I started off at an incline of 12%, and I ran for 2 minutes at 12%, and then I walked for a minute. Every next time I go to run, I bring the incline down by 2%. So then I ran for 2 minutes at 10% and then walked for a minute. Then I ran for 2 minutes at 8%, walked for a minute, 6%, walked for a minute, 4%, 2%, and then I was done. Keep in mind, guys, you don't have to follow any of this. Do any type of cardio that you want. Walk for 15 minutes on a treadmill at a high incline, at a low incline. Try to get, some kind of cardio in. Try to get some kind of weights in. The idea is just to make your body physically active and just start off somewhere and keep track and try to improve and push yourself. That was my workout today. It was great. I'm telling you guys, I can't believe how much better I feel already, especially now that my food and my eating is on track, my workouts are on track, my sleeping is on track. Everything's good. Let's hopefully continue this. Hopefully. I have an event on Thursday, so today's Tuesday. I have an event on Thursday, so it's in 2 days, and I feel excited because I feel like I'm gonna be very comfortable in whatever I end up wearing, which is such a nice feeling. There's nothing worse than having to get dressed up and nothing fits you. I experience that a lot because I get a lot of inflammation and bloating, but I don't feel like that this week, which is great. So I'm excited to get dressed up for this event. I'll show you guys more of that on Thursday. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Watch all the other videos. If you missed any, I'm gonna put them in a playlist, and add me on Instagram at Eman, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow. Bye.